Welcome to the training support video for the Educational Passport System, Online Reports Application, Financial Aid, and Foster Youth Financial Aid Reports. This video explains some of the main features of the app, including accessing the reports, report layouts, filters, exporting data, and more. To help with terminology, Financial Aid and FAFSA challenge glossaries are available for download. Go to laco.edu/EPS to download the training guide for your agency type under Video Tutorials and Quick Guides. Click either of the links on the Financial Aid and FAFSA Challenge glossary page to view the resource on the Foster Youth Services Coordinating Programs website. Using Chrome as your browser, log in to epsportal.laco.edu. Click either Microsoft or Google, depending on which your organization uses for email. Enter username, your work email address, enter password, your current work email password. Click Applications, click Online Reports. Your access will vary depending on the reports your organization has permission to view. Click the arrow to open the Foster Youth folder. Click the arrow next to the Financial Aid folder and select the FAFSA report for your organization type. This example is for an LEA. The data viewable in Foster Youth Financial Aid reports ranges from basic student demographic information to the status of their financial aid application. The student count is listed on the top above the filters. The report layout is designed to make it easy to locate and select different filter options. Click any column heading for other display, sort, and filter options. Student count is not a filter, it's the number of students in the results, based on filter selections. For the school name filter, select all school sites or a single location. More filters include the Chafee app and the Chafee Award, GPA, GPA match, FAFSA completed and FAFSA California Dream Act application or CADA, the Cal Grant Award, and responsible agency, child welfare, or probation. Select All displays all the records available to view. In this example, FAFSA completed is yes. Before the filter selected, by default, all items are pre-selected. The student count is 47. Click Select All to clear the filter and Yes to see students with completed status. The new count is 10. The data points are all column headings. You can sort by clicking on a column heading. For example, clicking on student name sorts the column in alphabetical, ascending or descending order. Clicking on a column with numerical data will sort the data numerically. You can filter data by using the Filters menu on the far right. Click the funnel-shaped icon to expand the list of options. Clicking the filter icon again will collapse the expanded list of filters. You can filter by data points using the Filters menu. Type a data point to filter in the search field or scroll to find it in the list. Use the down arrows to expand or collapse a filter. Select the filter criteria. Then apply the filters. And when you're done, clear the applied filters. Focus mode expands the report layout to see more columns and increase the font size. Click in the lower left corner of the icon to expand the report window. An example is shown here without focus mode and with focus mode. Click on the three dots for more options. Use more options to export, change the display, or sort data. For example, click Sort By and click FAFSA Completed. Again, in this example, we're using one of the Sort By options. Click three dots for more options. Click Sort By. Click the data point label FAFSA Completed. Export data by clicking on the three dots and Export Data. The default format is Microsoft Excel. So click Export. The file will download to your designated Chrome download destination. Save the file to your hard drive for future use. For technical assistance using the online reports, contact helpdesk@laco.edu. For questions regarding the data, contact the FYSCP data team at fysdatateam@laco.onmicrosoft.com.